Before you begin a macrame project, it's best to gather all the supplies and tools necessary to complete the project. First, you must choose which cording to work with for your project. Cotton cord is a soft yet sturdy 3-ply rope that is rigid enough to hold knots well. Macrame rope is generally stronger than macrame string, which is a single strand. And when you untwist it, it gives you that fun, wavy fringe, so it's great for adding texture to your work. This is a great cording option for beginners. Jute rope is a great material to use for many macrame projects. It doesn't cost a lot, and the thickness of the yarn will give you a fast result. You can buy jute in 2-ply sizes all the way up to 5-ply. Hemp cord is good for macrame jewelry making techniques. When creating a wall-hanging macrame project, you'll need to select a base structure to create on. Wood dowels are great for this and come in a variety of widths and lengths. For a more designer look, select a wire-based shape. Sharp scissors are an important tool in macrame. Investing in a sharp pair of scissors will save you effort and give you that clean cut when cutting through cording. A tape measure is used when measuring the length of cord needed to complete your project. A self-locking tape measure is a great option. A great Joann hack: cut one cord with the help of the measuring tape. Then use the cut piece as a guide to cut the remaining pieces needed. Rotary cutters are ideal for shaping feathers or cutting your fringe more easily. Use a pet brush with wire bristles to comb out fringe. Stiffening spray helps keep feathers, or a mandala wall-hanging art, structured and helps prevent it from becoming too floppy. Use RIT dye to dip dye your cords to add color and interest that match your style. Wooden bead embellishments come in a variety of sizes and create a depth to your work. Wood beads can be painted or dyed as desired.